Hey, good morning. It's Thursday, and it's going to be a good day, I got to tell you. Today we're going to be working with the Zeta 40P. We're going to go and soft wash a tennis court this morning, then rinse it off. I've done a lot of research on it, and I think the best way to do it is to soft wash and just rinse. Somebody had taken a surface cleaner to it before. I'm going to try and get those marks off. I'm going to explain to the homeowner that's probably not going to happen, but we'll do the best we can. And I got this hose fixed yesterday. We put a 45 degree on it to get it away from where it was vibrating. So this way, it won't be doing that anymore. We'll be running this machine this morning on the job site to rinse the whole court off. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. We'll see you at the courts. Let's get after it. Good morning, Don here from Super Blast. Looks like we're having a little blurriness, huh? There you go, that's a lot better, huh? Look at this court. You see all those marks from the surface cleaner from the last guy that was here? We can't have that happen. So we're going to start soft washing this thing from over there. We're just going to put a nice light coat of SH. He just warned me about this white line, so I'm worried about what he said. He might, I don't know. We're going to test it and see if it stays on there, all right? Let's get after it. All right, let's take a look. We got it all SH down with the Zeta. I got it on 6%. I don't know if it's spraying 6%. We're going to go back and look at the chlorine, see how much we've got out of the tank, and then we'll get back after it. All right, then we're going to rinse this side off with the pressure washer and a nice rinse wand, and we'll see how it comes out and see if we need to hit it again. We'll do one half at a time. All right, we'll be back. All right, we got a nice coat. We had to turn it up just a little bit stronger, get this stuff to dwell a little better. It's going to rinse right off. Just where the hard areas are. So more is coming out, and I'm getting a lot done a lot faster, okay? I'm just going to let this dwell. I'm going to go ahead and go over there and soak all that down over here. And let's go see how quick it takes, how long it takes. It gets done pretty quick, so let's go ahead and go over here and let the fun begin. That's the worst area right over there. You can see all that black stuff over there. I know I can see it. And look at all these lines. I'm hoping we can do something about that. All right, let's get after it. the sun's starting to break through, so it's gonna get hot. It's looking pretty good so far. Let's see how this side over here is doing. We let this dwell over here quite a long time. Oh yeah, all that black stuff's going away. Gotta like it. We got some stronger stuff here. Okay, got that right there. We got this basketball goal all cleaned up here too. It's gonna look good. Okay, I'm gonna go crank it up just a little bit more on the chlorine SH. I'm gonna hit these black areas one more time. Then we're gonna get after it. Let it sit for a couple minutes. About 15 minutes dwell time. Then we're gonna get after the rinse. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look around. Looks like it's gonna clean up nicely. All the black stuff's coming off this green. It's looking good. All the black stuff that was right here is looking good too. Looks like it's gone. Everything's dwelled up real nice. I added some soap and I added a little bit more oompha so we can get rid of all this black stuff. Oh yeah, it's all gone. It's looking good. See what happened over here by this gate. Need to open up the gate so we can blow everything out. Oh yeah, all the black's gone. This is going to be an easy job. All we got to do now is rinse it off. And it's going to be satisfying. Just got to add another 100 feet of hose on to the old hose reel. We made it right here to the fence. That's 100 feet, so we'll get another 100 feet out and this stuff will just dwell. And then we'll go ahead and get this orange hose put away. I think we're done with it. It's done its job today. All right, we'll be back for the satisfying rinse and gorgeous tennis courts. All right, let's take a look. Remember that black area over there? What black area? I don't see a black area, do you? This puppy's coming out nice. We're 3/4 of the way done. I didn't think you'd want to sit here and watch me do the whole entire satisfying rinse. So we're only going to do a quarter of it, okay? Now, you can tell what's going on here. The surface cleaner marks partially came out from the last guy that was here. I'm down from Super Blast pressure washing, and let's get after the rinse, shall we? Get after it! Woohoo! 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 All right, that's going to be a wrap for today, right? Look how nice. Came out beautiful. Homeowner's very happy. He has a 7,000 square foot house here. That's including this little building, that little building there, and that house right there. So, I'm the first pressure washer that's been out here. He's been out here for 2 years. So I was just informed that I am the pressure washer guy. This is a nice customer. I'm going to give him a price $1,200 to do the property. All right, that's a pretty good deal. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. And remember, by all means, you got to get after it. Hey, Don here. Hope y'all enjoyed the tennis court cleaning today. It took me 2 hours and 40 minutes to knock that out. Not too bad. It was pretty bad. So you seen how I did it. I did a lot of research before I did that tennis court, and 95% of the answers were do not use a surface cleaner. Okay, and the first thing I see this morning is that Mad Max guy with the big cigar. You know, the guy that doesn't do any work at all. He just runs his mouth and gives you bad advice. He's on there with his buddy this morning, and they're cleaning tennis courts with a mini Mondu. And he did hit it with some stuff, but I don't know what it looked like after the fact. But you saw the one I just did, and the surface cleaner really ripped it up pretty bad. So if you are going to do a tennis court, just nuke it with 6%. I use 6% on that. Then I just used a wand and rinsed it all off with a soft wash. I used my 40-15 rinse tip. Worked really well on that. It took a little longer to rinse it off like that. But the problem areas are the areas that took the longest. That had the longest black. All the black mold that was on there. Algae, moss, whatever you guys are calling it today. But always soft wash it and then rinse it off. Came out nice. The homeowner's happy. I gave him a quote on his house. He's got a 6,000 square foot house. I showed you that in the video. We'll do that for 1,200 bucks. It'll only take about 4 hours to do that property. That's pretty good money. $300 an hour is always good money, right? All right. Hope everybody has a good day. And do your research before you get out there and do stuff, guys. I try to teach you the right way. I don't know everything, and that's why I did some research myself before I went and did this tennis court. All right, you guys, you know what to do, right? Get after it. Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette.
Can't we put a 4-3 on 5 and just run it like 5? Yeah, that's okay. And then the other one is a 5 at 2,500. That's the one that you need to take to your casa. That's like my cat. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I want like an 8-gallon minute one also.
Well, you might want to get some more power, dog.
Get a substation put in.
Yeah.
So that, Don, it wasn't your valves bad. It was just a piece broke in between.
What's that?
The pieces broke in between.
It did.
Connector, it wasn't your valves were bad.
Well, good.
So technically, we should use these valves probably. Or you could.
No.
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 We should keep them in for backup.
Time
They're
and
not
money.
bad.
No. Throw them away, Don. Throw them away. You want to pay this guy $100-some an hour to change a broken valve that you should have done brand new from the start?
New valves are on top of the tank. That way down the road, you're gonna save them. Doesn't make sense.
It's called stepping on a dollar to pick up a dime, Don.
The dollar's up there on top of the tank now. You gotta change his though.
Stepping on a dollar to pick up a dime.
No.
Put new shit on that bitch. Oh, I can't say that. I'll get in trouble on YouTube.
Gotta put some new stuff on there. He didn't mean to say that. We're not editing anything out here. He apologized. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Sorry, everybody. I'm not sorry. It's like Pee Wee Herman. Hamburger.
Jerry, how are you today?
Sorry, not sorry.
That's good. Anyway, that's the progress so far. Here's our system. It's gonna be awesome. right, well here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it!
Get after it!